Assalamualaikum, welcome to Banglama. Today I have detox water which will reduce your sugar level. It's very important for if you're suffering from diabetics. So let's start. I have here a lemon and some mint and a couple of pieces of lime. So first of all, I will cut the lemon into half. So I will just need half of a lemon and squeeze the lemon to get the juice out and add to the water, tap water or bottled water, whatever you prefer. So get the lemon juice out and add it to the water. And then I will wash the mint leaves with cold water. I've washed it, and then get the leaves out. Get some leaves and chop into small pieces. You can blend it as well, but I prefer a little bit chunky. I basically love mint, and mint is so good for our body. So here is lemon juice and chopped mint. So I am finely chopping it. Now mix the water together. So I have not added any sugar or any salt, which is not good. Some people add salt, but please do not add salt. So mix it together, and then you have the detox water. The first type, I will show two types, which I have started drinking. It's really good. So I've added a couple of pieces of ice on each glass. You can skip that bit if you don't like ice. It's already got cold water in it. So after adding the ice, I will just add pieces of lime. It's just lime and lemon together is really good. And if you have this every morning, that will reduce your sugar level and you will start seeing the difference. This is very good drink. Just added extra mint leaves. This is fresh mint. You can buy it from any supermarket or any grocery shop. Now for my second detox water, I have here tamarind. That's also, you can buy it from any halal shop or grocery shops. So I've washed and soaked in water and getting the tamarind juice. And just mix it together. And if you have a strainer, strain the drink into a glass, and you have the tamarind detox water as well. And both of them drinks are really good for losing weight. Thank you for watching. I hope you like these both drinks. Please subscribe to my channel with bell icon on so you get notification. Thank you.